It's alive. My 1972 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible. $455 with 700 R4 transmission in it. $66,000 miles on this car. Original body, original paint code, flame orange, original interior upholstery, which is saddle color, and it's got an updated 455 cubic inch engine in it. It came with a 350. Pretty nice car. You hear that whirring going? That's the fuel pump. Right up here. This car is just needs a few more things done to it to get it ready for a little bit of weekend warrior drag racing. Probably 1/8 mile. It wants to have a posi track put in it. Still got the original 273 with an open differential. We'll be changing that soon. We'll keep you posted.